Hello, everyone. I hope you're doing well today, and I want to welcome you to Tika's Gardens. Today is one of the first days after the frost has come through our area here in Texas, and I decided to get out in the garden since the weather was so nice. And I decided I would start working in my vegetable garden to kind of get it together for the spring coming up. And while I was out working, I just got the urge to do something that had been on my mind for a while, and that is to line up the walkway here in this vegetable garden. If you notice, I have a walkway going down the center of the garden that leads to the very back beds, the very large back bed. It is centered for the most part, but then off kind of to the side is a little walkway that kind of goes in between the two front beds, and that has always driven me crazy. So I decided today that I am going to line up this walkway so it is just one straight walkway going down the entire vicinity of this vegetable garden area. So I'm starting out, out here. I was pulling weeds and I'm just going to clean up a little bit, but I just couldn't take it. I decided today is the day to get this walkway lined up. So that's what I'm going to do. So I will show you what I'm going to do. Basically, it's pretty simple. I'm just going to take the brick that are lining these beds and just move them over and just kind of realign them. So let's kind of get started with this little project, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. Tika Tika. Okay, guys. Well, it's all done and I think it looks really good. I did leave one of my habanero pepper plants in its place, so it's kind of sitting in the new walkway now. But the reason I left it there is because at the bottom I see new leaves coming out, and so if it's going to give me some more peppers, I'm going to give it a chance. If not, I'm going to just pull it, but for now I'll just leave it. But otherwise, I think it looks good. It is not so much irritating my nerves to look at it right now, to see that it is nice and straight and even lined walkway along the entire length of the vegetable garden. So I'm really happy with it, and I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I will see you in the next one. Bye.